Today we're talking about one of the most underrated tools, the VLC Media Player. You probably think of it as just a simple app to play videos and music, but trust me, it's so much more than that. VLC is packed with hidden features that can save you time, boost your productivity, and even make your media experience more fun. Let's jump right in and explore what it can do. Let's start with something super useful. VLC has a built-in screen recorder that's perfect for capturing your desktop. Whether you're making a tutorial, recording gameplay, or saving something cool, it's all right there. Just go to Media, select Open Capture Device, and choose Desktop as the mode. Set your frame rate, hit Start, and you're good to go. No extra software needed. It's simple, free, and effective. Now, if you're someone who loves streaming, you'll love this next feature. VLC lets you stream videos or music directly to Chromecast devices. Whether it's your TV or smart speakers, it's super easy to set up. Just go to Playback, hover over Renderer, and select your device. It's like having your own personal streaming service, and the best part? No subscriptions required. Speaking of convenience, here's another feature that's a total game changer. VLC can convert video or audio files to different formats without needing any extra software. Just go to Media, select Convert/Save, and pick the format you need. It's fast, reliable, and saves you from downloading sketchy third-party converters. Honestly, it's one of those features you'll wonder how you lived without. And while we're on the topic of saving time, let's talk about bookmarks. If you're watching a long video, maybe a lecture, a tutorial, or even a movie, and you want to revisit a specific moment later, VLC lets you bookmark it. Just go to Playback, select Custom Bookmarks, and hit Manage. It's like creating your own highlight reel, and it's so handy for keeping track of key moments. Here's something fun you might not know about. VLC makes it super easy to take screenshots of videos. If you see a frame you love, just right-click on the video, go to Video, and select Take Snapshot. Or if you're into shortcuts, use Shift+S on Windows Linux or Command+Alt+S on Mac. Your screenshots will automatically save to your Pictures folder so that you can grab those epic or funny moments with zero hassle. Now let's talk about customization. VLC lets you add watermarks to your videos, whether it's a logo for branding or just some fun text. Head to Tools, select Effects and Filters, and under Video Effects, you'll find the Overlay tab. Upload your logo, adjust its position, and you're done. It's a simple way to personalize your videos without needing fancy editing software. And if you're someone who loves tweaking settings, you'll appreciate this. VLC has a built-in graphic equalizer that lets you fine-tune your playback experience. You can adjust everything from bass levels to brightness, and even save your custom presets for future use. Just click the equalizer button at the bottom of the main window, or go to Tools, Xiaomi, and Filters. It's like having a mini editing studio right in your media player. Here's another feature that makes VLC so versatile. You can customize the hotkeys to make navigation even easier. Go to Tools, select Preferences, and click on the Hotkeys tab. Assign shortcuts for actions like skipping 10 seconds, toggling full screen mode, or adjusting playback speed. It's all about tailoring VLC to your workflow and making it as efficient as possible. And if you're someone who likes to keep things fresh, VLC lets you completely transform its look with custom skins. Download a skin you like, go to Tools, then Preferences, and select Use Custom Skin. Whether you're into sleek modern designs or retro vibes, it's a fun way to give VLC a fresh, personalized look. Finally, let's not forget about VLC's ability to play internet radio and podcasts. You can add your favorite podcast by entering its RSS feed, or explore a massive directory of internet radio stations. It's perfect for discovering new content or just having some background music while you work. I use this all the time when I need a break from my usual playlists. And that's a wrap on today's video. VLC is so much more than just a media player, and I hope these tips help you unlock its full potential. Make sure to check out our next video, where we dive deeper into the 10 free alternatives that will replace everything you pay for. It's going to take your content creation to the next level. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks.